everybody, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can create a Bilibili account on your phone. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we will just simply dive into our video now. So what you will do is you will simply just go to your Bilibili app and then simply just tap on it, and then once your app is open, you will simply see these options below. You will simply tap on this me option on below, tap on it, and then as you can see, this particular interface will open up. Here you can see this option called login. Simply tap on it. So what you will do is you can choose these three options: continue with Facebook, continue with Google, sign up with an email. So if you tap on continue with Facebook, you have to confirm that you're at least 13 years old, and then you can tap on this OK and lead you to this page, ask you to continue as the ID or account that you have on your Facebook. If you want to, you can simply tap on this continue. If you don't, then you will simply go back. Again, you can tap on this continue with Google as well. Here you will choose your email address, and then you will simply have your account. As you can see, before I did not, now I have an account. So this is how you can simply create an account on your Bilibili app, and I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If you have more concerns, do leave them in the comments below, and yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time.